everyone, this is Erik the Okapi and my mom. Today we're going to be making some honeycomb candy that we saw on YouTube. Try. So first they said that it was a cup and a quarter of sugar, quarter cup of honey, and this is going to take a while.
Make sure you have your spatula out so you can get it all out of there.
Yeah.
No, I'm not licking the spoon.
It's too sticky. Then the quarter cup of water.
Have all your stuff
Prepared.
Yeah, prepared before you...
Out of that, this needs to be heated up to 300 degrees. Yeah, whisk it. Bring it up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, this is actually looking cool. I'm gonna move the camera closer.
Make sure it's all mixed.
I'll just set it there. Okay.
And just stir it until it starts to bubble, and then you just turn the heat down and let it bubble until it gets to 300 degrees.
Yeah. This is the best I could get so far. Okay, one of the cats is doing this. Oh, Bob's playing with a little thing.
No bubbles yet.
Okay. How long does it take for it to bubble?
Not too long. That's why you have to watch it.
Yeah, I think so.
Because if you don't, have a nice crispy caramelly mess on the bottom.
Yeah, burnt video.
But you can feel that it's getting thinner.
Oh, I'm starting to see some bubbles. It's just a little popping.
Let me turn this down.
Oh, I can see on the camera as well. Let me turn this over. See go.
So once you start seeing the bubbles, you stop stirring. And bigger bubbles.
Yeah. Like the bubbles that you see in Finding Nemo. I like bubbles. He likes bubbles.
Okay.
It's happening again. Ming too. Oh, crackling. Oh, I saw a bubble.
Okay, stop stirring then.
I thought there'd be more bubbles than that.
It will be.
Okay. Are you like meditating over there, Ming too? What? Oh. It's very good. Yeah, we see it. At one point, I feel like meditating over there. What the heck? Good. Okay, we're back and it's starting to bubble. We're going to See if it's at the right temperature.
It's supposed to be 300.
But it only goes up to like 220.
Okay.
That's a problem.
Once it gets past 220 for a few seconds, we'll consider it done.
Why does it only go up to 220?
Because it's not a candy thermometer.
That's a
I've
140.
used it for candy, but we'll just treat it like a medium rare steak.
Okay. Well, in our case,
actually, that would be
it's a medium rare salmon. Oh, that's a lot of bubbles. Are you sure we don't need the baking soda?
Yeah, it's like flying to 220.
Okay, I want to show the camera. It's at 220. I don't think you can see it from here.
Where are you? I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, meanwhile, this is burning away.
Yeah.
So now you add
the baking soda.
Yes. And it is a tablespoon.
Yes. We see it.
Are you ready?
Yep. Immediately start stirring. Yeah.
Take it off the heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Starting to get there.
Oh, it smells good.
That's actually cool.
Okay, it says when it stops foaming up, take a spatula. Honeycomb jello.
Yeah.
Okay, and we've already have a prepared parchment paper with Pam sprayed all over it.
Yep. I helped with the pan. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Make sure you get everything
there. And you don't want to flatten it out with the spatula because then you're gonna mess up all your bubbles.
You also don't want to get onto yourself, or else if food wishes said you'll get like 4th-degree burns. I highly doubt it.
Well, you could pretty much get 4th-degree burns on just about anything I cook.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're supposed to leave like that for.
Leave it for an hour.
For an hour, okay.
And we'll be back.
Okay. Okay, so this is only like. How long goes 6 hours later?
It's just kind of bendy.
We're going to try again the next day. Oh my gosh, how bad.
Make a fruit roll up out of it.
Honey roll up?
Honeycomb roll up. There. Sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky.
And we just try a piece.
Yeah, I'll try it. Oh yeah, if you look right. Oh no. Thank God. Yeah, you can see that there. That did not work as well.
It tastes like a honeycomb, but it's not. That'll get stuck in your teeth real well.
It's like honeycomb gum.
Reminds me of a fruit roll up. You just need to dip it in chocolate.
I think that's what it needs. if you have like the Nestle chocolate chips, just melt that down. That would work best.
Well,
that's my first time trying honey. Besides,
try again tomorrow.
Yeah. Try to leave some of this in the fridge in case I want a snack.
Okay.
Okay, on to day 2. I guess it's not gonna be a thing for watching there because actually will be. Like you gotta try. I don't think we could do a cross cut from this angle. Oh gosh, why are you pointing that? Why are you pointing that? I'm over here. Okay. I'm like right here. She's got a gigantic knife. Yeah, you're pointing it down.
Where's an orange or an apple?
We could do that one thing that Nick, whatever he did at the beginning of the intro, just.
Okay.
No, he did like. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. Thank you for watching. We'll try again tomorrow. Like and subscribe. See you guys later. Goodbye.